Welcome to Real Estate Market Storytellers. I'm your host, David Stark. In this episode, we'll help you tell your real estate story by using the monthly Bay East housing reports. Let's start by opening the Bay East website at www.bayeast.org. Your story begins right on our homepage by scrolling to the Housing Statistics button. Every story needs a location. Using this map of the East Bay, click on the community where your story will take place. Next, click the Housing Market Information button. To select the main character in your story, click the Current Detached Report or the Current Attached Report or the Archived Reports. With this report, you can tell many different stories. Use the Market Activity Summary for a short story about current market conditions. This information is perfect for a social media post. To illustrate your story, we provide tables that track sales price, inventory, and sales trends. You can develop your characters by using the monthly Market Activity Table. One chapter in your story could be, as the seasons change, so do the number of homes on the market and how many homes are selling. For this story, check out the active, sold, and average days on market columns. A major plot point could be trends and changes in sales price. Our reports have lots of information about sales prices. An interesting subplot could be the percentage of sales price to list price. If your real estate story needs some historical background, these reports can help. The market trends and sales activity and price trends tables tell stories going back 3 and 5 years. To make your story your own, you can add a logo or business card to the report. Bay East understands every community has its own story, so we provide market reports for cities throughout Alameda and Contra Costa counties. Because your story needs to be up to date, we post new reports each month. If you would like help telling your real estate story, contact me at davids@bayeast.org. Thank you for joining us for this episode of Real Estate Storytellers.